Yes. I steal your avatar. Hey Warren Cook. Oh no. It's Kevin the Go animator. Get rid of this clone of me. But I don't want to. Very well. I will get rid of it by myself. I'm going to take you to your dad and Connor.
Warren Cook. How dare you clone Kevin the Go animator? You are not supposed to do that at all.
Your father is right. You should not clone people without permission.
But I'm so sorry. Don't tell me that I'm grounded.
Oh yes. You're so grounded for 540 centuries. Go to bed right now.
Wah.